Hey there, welcome to today's video where we are diving into a curious problem that can arise while working on a Rust project. The problem we'll be exploring revolves around creating a tuple-like struct in Rust and encountering a puzzling error along the way. It's one of those head-scratching moments that can leave you scratching your head for sure. Now, let's talk about the solution to this intriguing problem we encountered earlier. The key lies in understanding that imports filter out names that are private at the import point. In the specific case we discussed, the constructor function for the tuple struct x was private to a particular module, leading to the error we encountered. By using the regular struct syntax instead of the tuple-like syntax, we can ensure that the constructor function is accessible, resolving the issue smoothly. In summary, we delved into a perplexing error related to creating tuple-like structs in Rust and uncovered the solution to the problem. Understanding how imports filter out private names and making adjustments to ensure accessibility can help navigate similar challenges in the future. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Like the video if you found it helpful, and don't forget to drop a comment below. See you next time.